The new Linux Lite 8.0 is finally here, and for many Linux users, especially those looking for a lightweight, beginner-friendly operating system, this release is generating a lot of excitement. Linux Lite has always occupied a unique position in the Linux world. It is not trying to be the most cutting-edge distribution, nor is it focused on power users who want endless customization options. Instead, Linux Lite has built its reputation on being simple, stable, fast, and welcoming to people who are either new to Linux or moving away from Windows. With version 8.0, the project continues that mission while introducing a collection of updates, refinements, and improvements that make the experience even better. One of the first things users will notice about Linux Lite 8.0 is that it remains committed to its core philosophy. Rather than reinventing the desktop experience, the developers have focused on polishing what already works. This is important because many Linux distributions often chase new technologies and dramatic interface changes, which can sometimes create confusion for users. Linux Lite takes a different approach. The goal is to provide a familiar environment that works reliably from the moment it is installed. Under the hood, Linux Lite 8.0 is built on a modern Ubuntu long-term support foundation. This means users benefit from a stable base, extensive hardware compatibility, and access to one of the largest software repositories in the Linux ecosystem. Ubuntu LTS releases are known for their long support cycles and strong security updates, and Linux Lite leverages those advantages while presenting them in a more streamlined and user-friendly package. Performance continues to be one of the biggest strengths of Linux Lite. The operating system is designed to run efficiently on older hardware while still performing well on modern computers. In an era where many operating systems seem to demand increasingly powerful hardware just to function smoothly, Linux Lite offers a refreshing alternative. Users with aging laptops and desktops can often breathe new life into their machines simply by installing Linux Lite. Tasks such as web browsing, document editing, media playback, and general productivity remain responsive, even on systems that struggle with modern versions of Windows. The desktop environment plays a major role in delivering this experience. Linux Lite 8.0 continues to use the XFCE desktop, a lightweight and mature environment that balances performance with usability. XFCE has earned a reputation for being stable, customizable, and resource efficient. In Linux Lite 8.0, the XFCE desktop feels polished and approachable. Menus are organized logically, settings are easy to find, and the overall layout is familiar to users transitioning from Windows. The panel, taskbar, system tray, and application launcher all contribute to a workflow that feels natural from the first boot. Visual improvements are another area where Linux Lite 8.0 shines. While it remains lightweight, it no longer feels outdated. The developers have refined themes, icons, wallpapers, and interface elements to create a modern appearance without sacrificing speed. The desktop looks clean and professional, making it suitable for both home and office use. These enhancements may seem small individually, but together, they create a more polished and enjoyable user experience. One of the standout features of Linux Lite has always been its commitment to helping newcomers succeed. Linux Lite 8.0 continues this tradition with an impressive collection of built-in tools designed specifically for beginners. The Welcome application provides guidance immediately after installation, helping users understand essential tasks and system features. There are also utilities that simplify software installation, updates, system maintenance, and troubleshooting. These tools reduce the learning curve significantly and help new Linux users feel comfortable more quickly. Software management is another area where Linux Lite excels. Many users switching from Windows worry about finding applications and installing programs. Linux Lite addresses these concerns through its software management tools, making application discovery and installation straightforward. Users can access thousands of programs from trusted repositories, including web browsers, office suites, multimedia tools, graphic editors, communication applications, and development environments. The process is generally faster, safer, and more convenient than downloading installers from various websites. Security remains a key benefit of the Linux platform, and Linux Lite 8.0 continues to provide a secure computing environment. Regular updates help protect against vulnerabilities, while the underlying Linux architecture offers strong security foundations. For users coming from operating systems frequently targeted by malware, Linux Lite provides peace of mind. Although no system is completely immune to threats, the risk profile is significantly different, and Linux Lite benefits from the security practices established throughout the broader Linux ecosystem. Hardware support has also improved over time, and Linux Lite 8.0 benefits from newer kernels and updated drivers. This translates into better compatibility with modern processors, graphics hardware, wireless adapters, and peripherals. Whether users are installing the system on an older desktop, a refurbished laptop, or a relatively recent machine, the chances of everything working smoothly are higher than ever. Enhanced hardware support also contributes to better performance, battery life, and overall system stability. Another important aspect of Linux Lite 8.0 is its focus on productivity. Out of the box, users have access to a collection of essential applications that cover common daily tasks. Web browsing, email, document creation, spreadsheet editing, media playback, and image viewing are all supported immediately after installation. This means users can start working almost instantly without spending hours configuring the system. For many people, this convenience is a major advantage. Customization remains available for those who want it, but Linux Lite avoids overwhelming users with complexity. The default configuration is sensible and practical, allowing beginners to enjoy a smooth experience while still giving advanced users the freedom to personalize their systems. Themes, icons, panels, shortcuts, and desktop behavior can all be adjusted according to individual preferences. This flexibility helps Linux Lite appeal to a wide audience without compromising its simplicity. The update process in Linux Lite 8.0 has also received attention. Keeping a system updated is essential for security and stability, but it should not become a burden. Linux Lite aims to make updates straightforward and reliable. Users receive access to the latest security fixes and software improvements while maintaining the stability expected from an Ubuntu LTS-based distribution. This balance between freshness and reliability is one of the reasons Linux Lite remains popular among both newcomers and experienced users. For people considering a move away from Windows, Linux Lite 8.0 arrives at an interesting time. Many users are concerned about increasing hardware requirements, privacy issues, subscription models, and system complexity. Linux Lite offers a compelling alternative by providing a free operating system that respects user control and runs efficiently on a wide range of hardware. The familiar desktop layout helps reduce migration anxiety, while the extensive documentation and community support make the transition easier. Community support is another area where Linux Lite continues to perform well. The project has cultivated a welcoming community that assists users through forums, tutorials, guides, and online discussions. New users often find answers to common questions quickly, and experienced community members are generally willing to help troubleshoot issues. This supportive environment plays a significant role in making Linux Lite accessible to beginners. Reliability is perhaps one of the most underrated qualities of Linux Lite 8.0. While some distributions focus heavily on introducing experimental features, Linux Lite prioritizes consistency. Users can install the system and expect it to perform predictably day after day. For individuals who use their computers for work, education, or personal productivity, this reliability is often more valuable than having the latest experimental technologies. The lightweight nature of Linux Lite also makes it an excellent choice for educational environments, community organizations, and businesses seeking to extend the lifespan of existing hardware. Instead of replacing older computers, organizations can install Linux Lite and continue using those machines effectively. This approach not only reduces costs, but also contributes to environmental sustainability by decreasing electronic waste. When evaluating Linux Lite 8.0 as a whole, it becomes clear that this release is not about flashy innovations or dramatic redesigns. Instead, it represents the continued refinement of a distribution that understands its audience exceptionally well. The developers know that many users want a system that is fast, stable, secure, easy to use, and capable of running on modest hardware. Linux Lite 8.0 delivers on those expectations while improving the overall experience through updated software, enhanced compatibility, visual refinements, and thoughtful usability improvements. For existing Linux Lite users, version 8.0 provides a welcome collection of upgrades that strengthen an already solid platform. For newcomers, it offers one of the most approachable entry points into the Linux world. And for anyone looking to revive an older computer, reduce software costs, or explore alternatives to mainstream operating systems, Linux Lite 8.0 deserves serious consideration. At the end of the day, Linux Lite 8.0 succeeds because it stays true to its mission. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. Instead, it focuses on delivering a dependable, lightweight, beginner-friendly Linux experience that simply works. In a technology landscape often dominated by complexity and constant change, there is something refreshing about an operating system that prioritizes simplicity, efficiency, and user comfort. Linux Lite 8.0 may not be the most revolutionary Linux release of the year, but it could very well be one of the most practical, and for many users, that makes it one of the most valuable Linux distributions available today.